Hi, welcome to another new video. Today I'm going to show an interesting section for our portfolio showcase. Like you see, this is a scroll stack animation, or anyone called scroll pin and stick animation like this. You see, I really like this animation for portfolio sections. So sometime developer or designers used any plugins for this, but I will show you very easy process in Elementor how can you do that. So it's very easy. After you watching this, you will feel better. Okay, so let's go to the sections. I create a new page and I added the sections normally like this as normal Elementor section. So after that I can select the first section here and then go to the motion effect, and I set it sticky top, and sticky offset should be 30 like this. And here's also you need to add z index. You see the z index should be on, you must need to apply it. And then you see the next, when I can scroll, you see this section is sticky on top, and after scroll the next sections comes up. So because I set it to z index 2, let's open the navigator. Okay, when I remove the z index, you see this section going to behind of the first section. So we must need to add z index value greater than the first one. So I can make it 2 and go to the motion effect and say it again sticky top. And you see I added sticky offset 130 pixel. So when scroll down, you see the distance from here 130 pixel. So here's it will be sticky fixed. And then I scroll and I select the third section. You see it's behind also. So go to the z index and make it 3, and sticky top it should be 230. You will able to change the value based on your need, like if you increase or decrease the result rate like that. And for the same, for the fourth one should be z index 4, and the top also 330 pixel offset. So this is the structure. So after that you must need to enable the stay in column. For this need to check, yeah, the 4 sections effect, sticky effect must need to enable sticky in column. Otherwise it will be sticky for whole website when you scroll down. But after finish the parent section, like the wrapping, you see the 4 sections wrap with this parent section. So when we scroll over the parent section and finish the scrolling and go to the next section, then the sections will be go up. Let's preview it. And you see this is the result. So I used it for like I used here just a blank page, so that's why in the top there are no new sections, so it look like this. So in this case, you if you need, you can add some spacing or margin top for every sections. So when I can scroll, you see the animation is working perfectly. So if I can use space top and bottom, then what will happen? Let's show. Let me add a space and the space size. Okay, go to top. Sorry. Let's add a new container here. And I can move it top. Sorry. Let's move the spacebar at the top and duplicate it, and again I can copy this section and go to bottom and paste it here. Now you will see the better output, I hope. Okay, and I can scroll it like this. It's showing the sections perfectly. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you get benefit, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.